Good Tuesday to everybody out there in Traderland. D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. And the Dow ends up in the red, but barely. Up almost a full 1% on the NASDAQ, S&P 0.35%, and 0.6% on the Russells. So we have the NASDAQ leading the charge, and the VIX, check this out, a 5% drop. That's big time. Pay special attention that we're below 30 and we're sitting here at 28. Very bullish. So let's keep a very big watch on that. Remember, for the last week I've been telling you, you want to be watching volatility. And sure enough, we're starting to see signs from it right now. Here we're in the S&P daily. We continue in this big uptrend right here. And then we continue in our consolidation. Stocks that consolidate like to break out or break down, so be watching for that. I'm telling you right now, even people want to call me a perma bear, and that is not a fact. I have several longs going right now, and I'm hedged with a bear position. But hear what I'm about to say. Do not get sucked into stocks that are overbought. If you don't know the definition of overbought, go to Investopedia, type in the word overbought, and understand it. Here we're overbought, and if you look at a number of indicators, it will help confirm that for you. But not only are we overbought, at the same time we have a bearish divergence on the MACD. So for people to say to go long, because I have several people saying, give up on the bear side and go long. Well, I would come back and tell you that don't play either bear or bull, play what you see. So we are going up. So I do have bull positions. I'm not fully out there. I'm sitting on a lot of cash still. And I'm also very cautious in my long positions because I'm hedged with a SDS. That's an inverse ETF, 200% inverse, or 2 times inverse that of the S&P, and it's an ETF, SDS. So I am holding that with a number of long positions. Now, I think that we have a better chance of a drop taking place. And let me bring up the S&P monthly. Gang, you just have this monster, and when you have a monster down leg, you get a little up leg, down leg, a little up leg, down, 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 down leg, up leg. I mean, what comes next? You can see it. It's right there. The monthly is begging to do an about face. What I do not expect is to have a monster run where you do not get any sort of pullback. For that to happen would defy all odds that's out there. So what I'm looking for is a reversal pattern of some sort where you pull back, give me a double bottom formation, or maybe a higher swing low where you pull back a little bit and then you have a higher swing low where you pull back just a little bit, maybe right here to this 800 area, and then bounce. Wouldn't that be great? And then you have a trend reversal in play, and then that's the time you could say, all right, let's all go bullish. But check this out. On the monthly, we're still under the 0 line on the MACD. We're by no means bullish. So you have to take all of this into consideration when you're trading. So there you have it. Had a great time in the chat room. I spent unbelievable amount of time in there today chatting, and so fun, absolutely fun. We had over 70. I think the highest I saw it at any one time was 71 traders from Portugal, Peru, Canada, UK. I mean, you guys are from all countries coming here. Thank you for being a part, and thank you for coming in and chatting with us, and I hope you will become even a more profitable trader by being a part of FTV and also our interactive live chat room. Until next time, we'll catch you at the forums in the chat room at freetradingvideos.com.